Guys, I'm scared. Shut up, Belen. We are not scared at all, except for the fact that I broke my back. That was a dumb idea, Cucumber. Shut up! I told you to shut up. Hey, don't push me. Ow. Hello, robot. You are dumb. Ow. Hey, I'm not dumb. I am a robot. Lol, it's so yummy. This is the house. So this is the fresh meat. More like not the house. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. It's meat. I'm gonna go eat this. We gotta go eat this. So yummy, so yummy. So yummy, so yummy. So yummy, so yummy. So happy, so happy. I'm so happy to eat. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I want to eat. So happy. I want to eat this house. La 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 la. Oh my god, I think it's here! Yeah! I love y'all. Like an old the food. Ticket for the food. Let's see what's up there down here. Oh no, my mom is broken. I can fix it. No. I'm gonna fix my brow. Gonna vlog. It's gonna be vlog. Gonna be post. Yeah. Gonna put this chair. Just gonna put this chair. Don't pape. Broken house. Broken chair. Yeah. It's my mom stuck here. I need a lawyer. I need a lawyer. I'm your new lawyer. Oh, thank you very much. Oh no! Wait, that's not the monster. That's a dinosaur. Ah! I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna go outside. And eat you. No! I'm gonna eat you first. Ouch! No! Ouch! No, tomato! No! Just hurt my back. Just killed me already. Cucumber, don't sacrifice yourself. I'm not sacrificing myself. I'm killing myself. Die! Ow! So lost. This is so complicated. Gonna move it. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move the entrance. To go inside. Ouch! Dude, what was that? Want to go inside? Please help me. I want to go inside. Move the glass bears. I will move the glass bears, please. And now go inside this. Stucky. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna move my sail. Phew, it's gone. Help, I'm stuck in this. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Yes, let's go. I got out of the house. Blah, 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 blah. Now I'm gonna move my sail. You call Amitsana. Yes. No! Help! Help! Ouch! I'm gonna eat you. Kiss you. It's just a sick kiss me. Ow! Yeah. I am the summit. I'm the summit. I'm going summit. Still stucky. How do I get out these? I'm the only last one alive. Oh, you are gone. Gross correct. Hey, hey, I just took a bite of your pieces. What are you gonna do about it? Still look like there's a hero about to send you. What's it about? What's the toolbox doing? The toolbox is summoning the best weapon layer. Die! Oh no, you not die. You die. Oh, you thought so? Never mind, I quit. I quit being a liar. Ooh, fresh meat. How do I get outside? Get back here, fresh meat. I'm stuck again.